welcome to Cooking with Gloria. Today recipe is going to be a watermelon lemonade, strawberry lemonade. I know it sounds confusing, but it's two fresh waters that you guys are gonna love, are going to enjoy for these summer months. Let's get started. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my few ingredients. My few ingredients: a pinch of salt, fresh strawberries, sugar, water, fresh watermelon, limes. Let's get started with this recipe. The first thing I like to do is, on a pan, I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. And I am going to take it to the stove. For what reason? I like to do my syrup first, so we do not use too much sugar in our aguas frescas. I'll see you over there. Okay, I'm gonna add my pan. I'm gonna be stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes for the sugar to dissolve completely, and I'll show you that step. As you can see, the sugar has dissolved completely. I'm going to turn off my stove and I'm going to remove it from the heat. And we'll continue. I am going to start by cutting my watermelon. And I like to do it this way. I like to cut it in 2-inch pieces. I am using about half of a watermelon for this recipe. Okay, I have my watermelon already cut up. I'm going to start with my lemons. We're going to be using 2. And then we are ready to start blending. Gets better if I do it with my hands. Okay, I'm going to add my lemon directly here. My lemons have a lot of juice. Okay, and I'm going to add here my syrup. Only half I'm going to add to my blender. Okay, and we are going to blend. Okay, perfect. At this time is when we're going to taste it and see if it needs a little more sugar, a little more syrup. Perfect. I'm going to put my pitcher here. We're going to add some ice. And we're going to add our water. Okay. And we're going to add some water to it. Let's mix, and let's see how it came out. Perfect. Let's add a little bit more of syrup, and it is ready for you to drink. I'm gonna put it aside. And I'm going to start with my strawberries. I am going to rinse completely my strawberries. Okay, I'm gonna remove them. And we are ready to prepare our strawberry lemonade. I am ready to add my strawberries. Oops. And add my lemon. This is a very refreshing drink and healthy for you. To this recipe, I'm going to add the pinch of salt. We're gonna add some syrup. And we are going to blend. Okay. I have some water pitcher. I'm gonna add some ice. And I'm going to add my strawberry mix. Wow. This looks perfect. Delicious. I have two recipes here. The watermelon lemonade and the strawberry lemonade. I know your family will love these two options. I'm gonna go ahead and get them ready for the presentation. Can enjoy this delicious watermelon lemonade, strawberry lemonade at home with your family. Please enjoy my recipe. I have two and I'm going to taste both to see how they came out. This is the strawberry lemonade. Excuse me. Delicious. Let's see the watermelon lemonade. I have perfection here. Thank you so much for watching my video, for playing my video and seeing my video from start to end. Thank you so much. If you liked and loved my video, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. You could follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Gloria. I post a video every Monday. Please follow me and don't miss out on my recipes. Thank you so much. Before I say see you soon, I wish you the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.